All right, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. My name is Hassan, and we live, baby. What's going on? Man, it feels like it's been a long time. I super missed you guys. As you can see, I'm already in a position. Hold on one second. Whoa, where's my stop order? It don't count if you send it in pre-market. What is happening? Hello. All right, all right, all right, all right.
Order filled.
Wow. Well, thanks. What a bunch of jerks. All right, whatever. What up, Trex? 3Pony. Just some pre-market shenanigans going on here. Forte. Trend line Tracy in the building. What's going on, man? What we looking at today, y'all? I've been kind of tunnel vision on KNW all morning. I didn't even really look at anything. See, Trey got SNPX and SOGP. What you guys got? Um, okay. Well, the daily's hot garbage, but there's not really any volume, so I don't think it matters. And it's under 2. Ew. Ew. SOGP coming alive quite quickly. Yeah. No news on SNPX. What up, HH? Are you? What'd you trade? Were you on KNW? You couldn't have been because I ain't see any news for it. Oh yeah, SNPX. Oh, okay. Yeah, pre-market's not so scary. Nice. That's what's up. Shoot. K&W looking strong over here. Nice little tap to the EMA on the 15 there. 310, 307, slightly lower low. That mug is out of the line to me, bro. That ain't open so low. Ooh, this looks pretty nice. Pretty nice. Kind of wide there, though. Gonna have to wait on this one. That orb is tempting. Have like a 30-cent stop. See if we can get a better entry. Really want the reset on the 5 though. Both of these modes are going off.
Order filled.
Super wide risk. I should have risked to below this candle. I wasn't even thinking.
Order filled.
I know Trey, like, what the hell is going on here? And I think S&PX got pre-market high written all over it. Like, where else is it gonna stop? I have been in the lab all weekend. Well, not all weekend, but a lot of the weekend. Yep. Let's see how it goes.
Order filled.
All right. I'll take that. Hey, salam, bro. Zena? No, I wasn't taking Billy trades. I was taking trades off of the reclaiming of the EMA. Yo, that thing is moving. You're looking out. I'll definitely have that puppy up. Yeesh.
Order filled.
Good Lord. What up, Abullah? All right. What is next? Yeah, no doubt. Mm-mm. They just came over here and wicked me out. I'm watching it. It's just way up there to me right now. Yeah, that thing is in the middle of a glorious, or maybe at the end of a glorious uptrend. Ooh, and then oh yeah, with the daily, yeah, there's no way I would want to trade against that day. That thing got to be over 692 for me. Yeah. Okay. Nice potential ending volume there. Higher low on the 5, possibly. The 15 still looking pretty extended though. Oh. What, Xena? Hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. Hmm. What up, Pharaoh? Just hear me out. Its high is 331, which is probably looking more at like 335. That's the line in the sand. Nah, we good. It's about to be saucy right here. Hmm. I'm gonna wait for the one to retake. For it to break this high anyway, it would have to get over 331, and the EMA is 331 exactly down here. So, well, I mean, that's actually. Hmm, improve itself for a little bit. Hmm. 331 on this other candle too. Hmm. I don't know. I'm kind of liking SMPX. It needs to do some stuff though, for sure. Hmm. Yeah, I got you. 318. I think I'm gonna buy 332.
Order filled.
Bracket stop thingy's definitely not working anymore. Only thing I was feeling like is I should have just waited for the one to break and retest, but you can miss it a lot of times too. And the 5 is the trigger, so you know we'll see how it goes though, because it could definitely get slapped, but it's a good entry. Thanks, Trey. Man, Xena just set up nice on the 5. Might not be too late. Actually worried about this guy. Yeah. But this nice sideways consolidation pullback to the 1. To the EMA right here. It's kind of nice. But yeah, I would still want to see it dip down below first and retake it. The reset is necessary. Yeah, see, I could have waited for this to happen on the 1. You get the best experience when you're willing to miss out. When you're not willing to miss out, you get in early and then you have to suffer. Yo, did we miss it? What's the break? That's nice. 70s. That's nice. You don't have them on yours?
Order filled.
Damn, for real? This the one right here. Missed that one, huh? Man, the range is so small on this though. Like, this is actually a terrible entry. It's not on the 5. I don't like trading these little cheap joints. Hell yeah, it's a clean setup. You gotta be kidding me. What's this high? 43. Dang it, bro. This next candle on the one should get some volume.
Order filled.
There we go. Nice tight entry, boy. Nice tight entry. Super tight. Come on, bruh. Come on, bruh. Bruh, I want to get back in S&PX, honestly. This thing's about to go. Clearly, it's about to go. I feel like I missed the entry, though, by like 15 cents. Damn. How am I down 16 bucks? Oh, the spread. Yo, KNW looking real saucy. Come on, man. I need a pop. I need to get some rectification over here, bud. It's bad. Dang, boy. It's got some weak follow through. There's no sales for real, but where's the buyers? Where's the buyers? The buyers done stepped up over here. Man.
Order filled.
Bro, if I lose both of these, we need to just wrap it up anyway. And there goes KNW, bro. Everything's setting up. Oh my gosh. Bruh, stop playing. You in KNW too? Yeah, I like it on the 1 too. Oh gosh. It ain't quite ready on the 5 though. I think I'm gonna have to wait for the pullback on the 5 on that one. Only got 147. I guess that's a lot. $25 for this. Come on, baby. Let's go. Stop. Yeah, I just joke. Needed a pullback. It ain't really established itself over the EMA yet. Pulling back again, huh? It's not gonna go. Okay. High risk. Yeah.
Order filled.
Damn. Well, we stopped City today. Yeah, I just got in too late on SMPX, man. My entry should have been over this candle. Stop under the low. Same with this entry. Stop should have been under the low. I don't know. Having need to gather a little more info about using that entry candle as my stop. Yeah, it is quite relentless. It sucks, bro. All I need is one though. There's that high. Oh, it's 214. High a day. 89. That's first candle of the move. It's getting wild already. Bro, I got played over here hard. Stop placement is key, bro. Played myself hard. And now look at this stupid thing. I should have sold half into this high though. That's what I was doing when I was trading in the sim. I was trading all highs, selling all tops. Though I'd be half off and break even at this point. So I'd be out of the trade. But that'd have me in a half a R. Bro, I'm so disappointed I missed this one. To stop out on ones that go is like so frustrating. I just was risking too tight. And then uh risking too tight. Mm-mm-mm. Man, there's like no volume in this pullback right here. That's kind of cool. Assuming there's still some buyers. Multiple opportunities to get back in this. What's up, Leon? Bruh. You failed. Bruh. What's up, Jack? Getting hosed today, bro. I'm not even mad at my setups either. Maybe a little bit. Let's see. Um, oh man, felt like it was pretty clean. How's it going for you, Jack? Yeah, I know. Oh, gosh. Here comes KNW. Hmm. Oh yeah, PLTR. Oh, you just getting started, huh? Got some 26 fives. So GP fighting a good fight. I guess. Dang, bro. I just so see this thing waking me out. And man going. Which, I mean, probably be my fault because I could have waited for this to trade over instead of buying the third green candle. It's kind of dumb. Wait for that to trade over and then pull back and then look for an entry on this side. What's up, Knives? Dang, bro, this is devastating. Look how easy this would have been, too. Nice, clean move up, man. Just raise your stop. That sucks. Yeah, it's not going my way. I don't feel like I'm trigger happy, but I mean, I guess we'll take a look at the end of the day. But yeah, Cena looking good over here. Man, if this thing get back over 180, man, we might have a shot. Xena Warrior Princess over here looking kind of strong, but it's just like to trade against today. I guess you could just hold the top as resistance. there was a reason for a long to not follow through, it would be that. That's definitely what's been going on here. Just getting in too early too. Dang. I feel like these be the ones that just drop like 10 cent. Yeah, I'm pretty sad about SMPX. That one's too easy. Okay. I can't believe I came in here and got marked like this today. I did not expect it. uh, I came in feeling very good and confident. Let's see. Let's see what really happened here today. What's up, K1? Well, my intent was to sell all highs and halves and wholes. Bruh, what a sad. Look at this clean, bro. I can't believe I'm not in this trade. But I definitely missed this sell opportunity here at this high. Fumbling around. Like this high, I would want to sell this previous high, and then I would want to make sure I sell some shares at this previous high over here. Just on GP. Bruh, SMPX was the one. And I lost money on it. A lot of money.
Order filled.
Oh my gosh. Nah, that's my fault though. SOGP daily's trash. I should have never traded this thing. The volume wasn't there, but it's still trash. KNW just didn't even have any news, but it had volume. Where did I trade it? Nah, daily's garbage, bro. Nah, daily's garbage. I ain't trading them no more. The all the crap. I mean, I understand there's no volume, but you got this kind of chart, and then you got this kind of chart where it's above everything. Yeah, I mean, yeah, I feel myself in pre-market this morning, messing around with KWM. Look at that, right there to the bottom of that day. Yeah, I didn't come out here and draw my lines or nothing, bro. Sorry. I'm not gonna get it back from this for sure. Possibly Xena. Maybe over 6. I don't know, but I mean by the end, super extended. Yeah, bro. Xena's. I'm down with Xena too. So really, all we got is SMPX. ELAB. What up, Bert? Oh wow, look at that. That's beautiful. Hmm.
Order filled.
Let's do it. Oh, super heavy daily resistance. This chart is terrible. Well,
Order filled. Order filled.
$150. Nah, I didn't realize how tight that was. Thought I had it closer to another R left. Gotta go straight up. Gotta go straight up. Kind of heavy on the ass. Yeah, I ain't got no room in this joint, man. It's gonna kick me out. There we go. It's 450. 52, 53 is the high. Uh, Dang, man. That's a wrap.
Order filled. Order filled.
What did I do today that was different than what I was doing all freaking weekend long? Yeah, I'm glad I got out when I did for sure. Okay, I can see that. Bruh, you should have been all over this. There's no way I should have stopped out of this trade. How did I stop out of this trade by not trading on the 5? Yeah, I think I kind of tripped myself up with the 1 a little bit. I should have had this trade though. There's absolutely no reason that I entered this trade here and stopped out here. I don't know what that is. So that was terrible. Yeah, I definitely didn't wait for any type of EMA reset. This was just dead, honestly. The volume was super low. It tried to come in though. I can't believe I jumped in Elab though. That was atrocious. Yeah. Yeah, SOGP. I didn't have no news on it. I had no. Was there news? You said there was news? Yeah, yeah. Share repurchase program. And yeah, I was a little wild out the gate though. Um, yeah, that was my problem for sure. Yeah, Elab. As soon as I glanced at the daily, I was like, "What have I done? What have I done?" Hmm. With the EMA and the trend line break, if you're not getting in on the first or second green, then I think you got to wait for the pullback. And so I should have been waiting for this to enter this one if I didn't get in here. Because if I got in here, I don't know. I mean, could have been sellable up there. But I mean, either way, just wait for the freaking pullback. That's kind of where I was at all weekend, trying to figure out how to get in at the. Actually, I mean, I did it. I did it pretty well here. I just should have sold at this high right here at 182. I should have sold half and moved my stop to break even, and that would have been 1R in the bank on that one if I played this how I was supposed to play it. Um, yeah, this is clearly trading the 1 minute lows and not the 5 minute lows because this entry should have had a stop under there, and then we would have been straight. We would have been straight. We would have been straight. The 1 minute is like such a gift and a curse. Because, like, if I use it to time these 5 minute retests to the EMA, then it's like a really good tool. But, like, the stops got to go under the 5 minute low. It's just, you're just trying to get too tight of an entry. But I want to get out faster, too. But this gave me everything you would have wanted to see on the 5. Yeah, there goes KNW on the 15, looking crispy. Yeah, see, at this height of the crossover, you had to wait for that pullback. Yeah, all right, Jack. There goes Elab. Mm-mm-mm. Definitely could have took this as a signal to not get in yet, for sure. Slap. Mm. Yeah, bro, that's definitely what it feels like, except for the one thing that I failed, which was this guy. This thing had some momentum. All the momentum I could have asked for. I remember getting in it and saying it had pre-market high written all over it. Messed that up. Yeah. Yeah, Elab is like, that daily is atrocious. Yeah, too much riding on the one today. I got it though. Man, you ain't lying. Oh, really? Huh. I forgot that I even had it on. Is that high? Yeah, I definitely played myself on the stops today, Pharaoh, for sure. With SMPX. Yeah, K and W looks great right now. You just gotta wait for some kind of pullback on the 5 now. But I mean, even on the 1, actually. It's kind of extended though. Mm. Yeah, that's how I feel. That open is treachery. Treacherous. I've had many times looking at the open and feeling like I know, it looks like it should do this right now. Exactly. And it just like not only does the opposite, but like extreme opposite. Yeah, for sure. It is. No, I really like 15-minute gang for sure. Um, I mean, a 9:45 gang. 9:45 gang and stop under the 5-minute low. Those are things I don't want to slide on. MVTS. Wow, that's purdy. That's purdy. Oh. Yeah, that's nice. Hmm. So 9:45 gang. 5-minute low gang. And if it runs up off the open, I'll look at the one to gauge that first 5 minute pullback. Like if it crashes through the one and then retakes it, that makes a higher high, then I'll take the 5 minute setup, but not the 1 minute setup. Man, KNW looking cool over here. It's a nice little long consolidation. And I want to take this right here. See what happened. Over what's that? 325. Yeah, I had myself buried before 9:45 even started. I hate that. Um, you said it's heavy. Yeah, I mean, that 3 bar play. Here it comes. Yep, 326. Yeah, I'll take this all day. It's actually still downtrending though until it gets over 338, to be honest. Yeah, 338's the line in the sand for real. It's super risky below that. Hmm. Yeah, trading pre-market today ruined my day because uh instead of spending time going through daily charts and marking out support levels and stuff, I was staring at K and M. I mean KNW the whole time. Yep. Yep. For no reason. I just came in here like, I wonder if there's anything going on in pre-market. Just for no reason. Yeah, I'm rolling with the timer tomorrow. We putting the timer up tomorrow. Where's the timer? Yeah, we rocking with that tomorrow. Right over there, 9:45. Dang, for real, Trey. I just couldn't believe it. I was like, there's no way I'm gonna lose 4 trades in a row, 5 trades. There's no way. There's no way. It's not possible. Sure enough. I'm like, how is this possible? But just like you slip on your routine just a little bit, man, and it's very possible. Yeah, bro. Totally. Oh, my whole pre-market routine just went out the window this morning. And I didn't get to showcase all of my goods that I've been working on all weekend. Tomorrow though, y'all gonna see. God willing. 9:45 gang. Stop will stay under the 5-minute lows. All of it, bro. The rubber ducky, everything. Nah, these are the rules that I backtested. That's why it sucks that I just came in here and did all that, because I've been backtesting a lot, or back trading, replay trading. Um, so yeah, I just got to tell myself in my head that the price action is not readable until after 9:45. Even though I think I can read it, I'm just not gonna try. Just not readable, and then I'm gonna miss a run or two like that, but I'm gonna miss a lot more losers. And that's what I gotta do. Definitely gotta play better defense. I just honestly feel like max loss should like almost never happen, and so that sucks. But it's just I can also see exactly why too. Like that's one, two trades in the first 15 minutes, and that stopped me out, and then got back in SNPX 2 times, 3 times. To just fail that hard on something that moved so nicely is ridiculous. But yeah, like this entry stop should have been under that low. This entry stop should have been under that low or this low. Um, yeah, this entry I had my stop under this candle and it just didn't go. Um, which I mean, this was a pretty nasty pullback to just buy and expect it to run. It's really not surprising that it bounced a little. AVTS, wow, what a runner. Man, the volume is just so good on it. Candles are putting out 200K, bro. 600K, 800K, milli. That's what I want to be trading, man. For sure. I don't think I would have traded it with the daily though. Not until over 752. So like just now. That's pretty cool. Well, all right, y'all. Get out of here. I think I'm pretty sure what happened today. Just my that pre-market routine is so serious, man. And I just let it fall apart again. So yeah, I see. I'll be seeing that stuff too. And I would definitely would have been eyeballing an entry over that candle. And I'm kind of using the one to help me feel more comfortable with taking those. But Yeah, I just got to stick to my morning routine for sure. Because these are like mistakes that I've already conquered, and I read over stuff in my routine to help me stay mindful of stuff like this, and I just skipped over that today. And let some junk onto my watch list. Yeah, me too. I definitely could have had, I don't know, it's definitely minus two R or something like that. Yeah, I could just tell I was out of my groove knives. There was no reason to continue to do damage. KNW, it might be time. It's taking a long time though. Yeah, I don't know. It's still downtrending, yo. Now I just need to get some a day of solid process in, and then just build on that. That's all. Some momentum, some positive reinforcement, see a couple dubs, and we'll be good. But anyway, yeah, they holding it down for sure. 338, I'm telling you. But all right, y'all, I'm out of here. Hit that like button for me if you could. Look out for that review video, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Be safe. Peace.